Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to claim 5G unlimited data in Airtel. First, make sure your smartphone is 5G compatible. Next, confirm your Airtel SIM card is 5G enabled. You also need to be in an area with Airtel 5G network coverage. These initial checks are crucial before proceeding with the activation steps. It's a quick process to ensure everything is set up correctly for your unlimited experience. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, open the Airtel Thanks app on your phone. Look for the prominent Claim Unlimited 5G Data banner or section. Tap on it, and the app will guide you through a few simple steps to activate your unlimited 5G. This process is designed to be user-friendly, ensuring you can quickly enjoy high-speed data without any hassle. It usually takes just a moment. It's important to note that unlimited 5G data is typically available with specific prepaid plans, usually starting from 239 rupees or above. Always ensure your device's operating system is updated to the latest version for optimal performance. Remember that factors like network congestion or your location can influence your actual 5G data speeds. While it's unlimited, the speed can vary. Check your plan details for specific eligibility requirements. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of your phone can often resolve minor connectivity problems. Should the issue persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Airtel customer support for personalized assistance. They can help diagnose and fix any specific challenges you might face. Also, for a fresh car scent, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link for that and other great deals in the description below. Enjoy your unlimited 5G.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.